The merciness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is prevailing in such a way that He is providing an opportunity that we may seek forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every day He is providing us an opportunity 5 times a day in the form of obligatory prayers. And how the sins are being washed away when we are performing ablution as per the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hadith of Sahih Muslim. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam describes 5 steps for performing ablution, and the person who performs his ablution according to these 5 steps, how the sins of this person will be forgiven. Ma minkum rajulun yukarribu wudu'ahu. Whoever amongst you performs ablution. In the first step, a person rinses his mouth with water. Fayatamazmadu wayastanshiku fayastansiru. He rinses his mouth with water, and then he snuffs up the water in his nostril and blows it in this first step. What will be the reward? Allah's Messenger says, the sins of his nostrils, the sins of his face, and the sins of his mouth are fall out when a person performs ablution in this first step. Illa kharrat khataya wajhihi wa fihi wa khayashimihi. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Summa idha ghasala wajhahu. When this person washes his face, kama amarahullah, illa kharrat khataya wajhihi min atrafi lihiyatihi ma'al ma. When a person washes his face in the second step as per the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sins of his face are fall out from his beard along with the water. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is forgiving the sins, and sins are falling out from the hairs of your beard. Allahu Akbar Kabira. And in the third step, when a person washes his elbows, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Summa yaghsilu yadayhi ila al-mirfaqayn. When this person washes his forearms up to his elbow, illa kharrat khataya yadayhi min anamilihi ma'al ma. The sins of his forearms are falling out from his fingertips along with the water. Allahu Akbar. In the fourth step, Summa yamsahu ra'sahu. When a person wipes his head, illa kharrat khataya ra'sahu min atrafi sha'rihi ma'al ma. The sins of his head fall out from the points of his hairs along with the water. And in the last step, Summa yaghsilu qadamayhi ila al-ka'bayn illa kharrat khataya rijlayhi min anamilihi ma'al ma. When this person washes his feet up to his ankles, the sins of his feet will be falling out from his toes along with the water. Then this person stands up in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فَإِنْ هُوَ قَامَ فَصَلَّى فَحَمِدَ اللَّهَ وَأَثْنَى عَلَيْهِ وَمَجَّدَهُ كَمَا هُوَ بِالَّذِي أَهْلٌ. Then this person stands up in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and he praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He offers praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the prayer, he lauds to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and he glorifies to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala deserves. وَفَرَّغَ قَلْبَهُ لِلَّهِ. And this person purifies his attention and his heart for the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. إِلَّنْ صَرَفَ مِنْ خَطِيئَتِهِ كَهَيْئَتِهِ يَوْمَ وَلَدْتُهُ أُمُّهُ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive his sins, and his sins are departing, leaving him as innocent as he was on the day when his mother gave him birth. Allahu Akbar Kabira. Such a great reward with only one prayer. But the very painful point, the most critical point is that how much unfortunate will be that person who is not offering prayer. How much he is missing every day who is not offering obligatory prayer. I am not talking about the torment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for that person who does not offer prayer. But I am talking that how much he is missing, how much rewards, how much blessings every day this person is missing who is not offering prayer. In another hadith, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, whoever performs ablution and he says, Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh illa futihat lahu abwabul jannat as-samaniya yudkhilu min ayyiha ma sha. Whoever performs good ablution and he says, I testify that there is no God but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, 8 doors of paradise are opened for that person. Whichever door he wants, he may enter. Allahu Akbar Kabira. May Allah help us.